Hey, good morning. We're gonna assemble the M1101P motor today. I just got the parts in from Bernie, and this is for my L3. I'm just gonna check out the parts right now, what's in the box. I always carry an extra set of 75mm O-rings. Okay. Cannot forget to take pictures of this. I'm gonna do this in small sections, because the video might take too long. These are the grains, I hope. Can't wait to smell the fresh grains. Newspaper. Oh, the O-ring. The O-rings are on top of the grains, so that's no confusion there. Let me get some light. It's pretty dark, I guess. It's still dark. It's a dark weather, cold. It's February 27th. It's 50 degrees outside, it's raining. It's terrible. It's typical Florida shit weather. Okay. O-rings on top of the grains. Okay. That's it for now. Picture time. Come on. Alright. Okay. So we have the grains. The grains ready. I have to find the instructions. I don't think they're in the box. Oh, they might be in here. Okay. This is a reload. That's a reload kit. It's all packed very tight. It's a 4-grain. It's a 4-grain motor. Just a white M1101 white motor. Oh, there you go. Bernie gave me a stick. I got another stick to it. Here it is. Oh. More O-rings. There you go. Instructions. I think it's empty now. It's empty now. Silly Freddy. Stink, man. Okay. That stays here. This stays here. And I got the O-rings. Two each. And then one for the bottom, I think. Okay. We put all this aside. And then in a minute we start assembling the motor. This is just unpacking all the items. This is a smoker. Smoker. Damn it. Oh, igniter. That's nice. Comes with an igniter. Oh, I need the grease. I gotta get the grease in the garage. Oh boy. I need that one too. Jesus, man. Get out of there. That's it. Smoking. Ah. Oh man, it's so freaking tight, that thing. That's what she said. Okay. Ooh. Whoopie, hey, hey, hey. Okay. Smoker. We don't need this now. There's this. Smoke shit. Ooh. Yep, that happens. Okay, there's that. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unpack the grains, get the instructions ready, and then I assemble the motor into the reload. That's gonna be the second video. I'm gonna take pictures. Oh, this is nice and safe. I'm gonna take pictures of all the grains, the O-rings, the spacers, the spacing rings. Pay attention, friends. The spacing rings. So I'm gonna unpack everything, and then we start our next video. So hopefully in February 16 I can fly my motor for my L3. Okay, see you later.